Well, not at the monument yet. I'm at mile 2642.3. Here's the trail right in front of me there. Doesn't even really want to focus. I gotta kind of stand here. And there's the burn coming. We at the top of the last pass here. And what do you know? It's snowing. Quite the welcome to Canada. Yeah, man. Actually, this is a little bit more adventure than I was hoping for this last day. About 6 to 8 inches of accumulation right now, and it's still really kind of coming down. I'm really feeling for all of the hikers out there who don't have any rain gear. I think I mentioned that in another video. A lot of people didn't carry any rain gear because you didn't really need it for the most part on this trail this year. I mean, until the last few weeks. And man, I've seen some pretty sorry looking hikers the last few days, just soaking wet and freezing cold because it's been chilly as hell. And then conditions like this happen. You know, we're still passing hikers who don't have pants. They only have little hiking booty shorts. And dude, it is obviously freaking freezing out right now. Like, my hand holding the camera right now is biting cold. Yeah, so just plan ahead for stuff like this. It's only it's September 19th. They say in general, by September 15th, it can swing like this big time. And I was really aiming to try and avoid all of this by finishing as fast as possible. Honestly, this is dangerous. I was a little nervous for a while there because these big snowdrifts are starting to accumulate, and small little, mini avalanches on the steeper rock faces here are obscuring the trail a lot, and my GPS is not working right now. There's not a good enough signal, I guess, through this weather. So it's a great combination for a lot of things to go wrong, and man, just on top of that, if you're not dressed properly, I mean, for example, I've got all my layers, I've got everything I need, I'm comfy, except for my feet. My waterproof socks failed on me about a week ago. They're just cheap waterproof socks that I picked up in Bishop forever ago for the Sierra, just to keep my feet dry because we had a couple of storms there and whatnot, and I just kept them ever since. But I forgot when I was passing through Ashland to pick up my really good ones, and which is funny because I bought the really good ones for the trail. But anyway, I'm kicking myself now because my feet are sopping wet. As long as I keep moving, they stay warm. But the second you stop because you're standing in snow up here, you're freezing cold. So man, and it's not a fun drop off there. That's pretty down. So gotta take each step very carefully here. So yeah, actually on second thought, I'm gonna turn this off and take this more seriously. So yeah, 8 miles to the Canadian border, and this is exactly how I envisioned entering Canada, to be honest. Jeremiah Johnson style. They say there's land up there that no man has seen, so I reckon I'll go see it. Anyway, I'll see you at the monument. Bye bye.